I'm Michaela Chavez, your neighborhood news reporter on Loyola Beach. This area is expected to feel the effects of Hurricane Beryl in just a matter of days. I spoke with county officials about their plan that's based in part of their recent experience with Tropical Storm Alberto. Veronica Jimenez Gunter lives out by Riviera ISD. She got up early to pick up some sandbags.
Hurricanes are unpredictable, so to be on the safe side, it's always better to be prepared and have your evacuation plan set.
And that's exactly what Kleberg County Judge Rudy Madrid says they've got in place. In fact, Judge Madrid has issued a voluntary evacuation for those living in Baffin Bay, Loyola Beach, or other low-lying areas in the county.
We learn our lessons from past experiences, and Baffin Bay has always hit the hardest. You know, we've got a lot of residents down there. There's a lot of new development.
I know a couple of people that are already making preparations to get out, which I think is the safest thing to do.
If it's needed, the FEMA domes at H.M. King High School will be used as shelter for those choosing to evacuate. Those with trailers at Seawin can move their RVs to the J.K. Northway Expo Center, where they can park free of charge. Stable arenas are also available to shelter livestock. Meals on Wheels will also be provided in advance for senior citizens, and for those who cannot pick up sandbags, the county judge says they can come to you.
I think they are overly prepared, but overly prepared is a good thing when you don't know what the storm is going to do. So it's always better to be safe than sorry.
What we won't be is caught by surprise. We always prepare. Proactive, you know, a failure to plan is a plan to fail, so we got it.
The Kleberg County judge says sandbags will be given out until they run out. To find out where you can pick up your sandbags, head to christv.com. With your neighborhood news in Kleberg County, I'm Michaela Chavez, Chris 6 News.